immense pleasure to announce that our respected
Diri Zadwes Cups, Marmre Judges Sajisla, Nye Sunongi Sowo, Yotan Laskue Tungshi, Madam Bhanu Prabha, Yang Stevens Gundunpa, Major General Arhindam Sahacho, Yang Tise Gonpe Lopon, Langi Jua Pudin Gija, is Katesikas Kyote, Nasalgi Marmre Judges Zad.
اللطيف الخبير الحليم العظيم الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المبين.
हम सब क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी मना रहे हैं। मेरा तो ये मानना है, तुम्हें कैसा लगा?
मेरा भी यही मानना है लायू। कैसे हम सब लोग पहले दिन अनजान थे एक दूसरे से और अब देखो हम सब घुल मिल गए हैं। आप सब भी याद कीजिए इन 45 दिनों में हमने क्या कुछ नहीं किया। साथ में पढ़ाई करना, साथ में लंच करना, साथ में अच्छी एजुकेशनल टूर जाना और हर शुक्रवार के कार्यक्रम में भाग लेना।
Sharaf Kitsaling Learning Center, Chiksi. These 45 days have not just been a tuition program for me. It's been a journey of growth, discipline, and transformation. The environment of this learning center is truly inspiring and highly productive, especially for the student of Ladakh.
Everyone. Today I stand here with immense gratitude and pride. Being a part of this noble initiative has been a deeply enriching journey for me, not only as a teacher but as a learner as well. This tuition program is far more than a short academic session. It is a powerful mission driven by compassion and vision.
Again, 8B stands in Chuspel, 8B. So they are the winners of the quiz competition that was held on 10th of January 2026 during this free winter tuition. And we would Palia to receive the best student award from Secretary Ma'am. Thank you so much.
विंटर ट्यूशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया फॉर द 7th ईयर. सारे पेरेंट्स, सारे बच्चे, वेरी वेरी वॉर्म गुड आफ्टरनून टू वन एंड ऑल. ये हम सब के लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि पेरेंट्स इतनी खुशी से और बच्चे इतनी खुशी से आगे आकर विंटर ट्यूशन्स उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया और लगभग 1.5 महीना ये विंटर ट्यूशन चला, 45 डेज चला. और जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स ने बताया, मैडम ने बताया, इट वाज अ सक्सेसफुल इनिशिएटिव इन अ सेंस कि बच्चे खुश थे और बच्चों ने खुद बोला कि उन्होंने सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स नहीं पढ़ा, उन्होंने क्विजिंग करी, जैसा कि अभी गुरमीत ने भी बताया, उन्होंने चेस खेला, उन्होंने और डांस, म्यूजिक दे एक्सप्लोर्ड.
Gusur na dalada species rita rikjun usam rikjun boyor dena me khatim namste lada species amton rikjun sundang shar chantham lo zaskar lo kargil jam lo brachong na skyope lo tu thangma iskarte sarkar skyope nuski nam gye demos ko paspoin rangrangi yujoski chaskos kencha demo ko momsin Chorin, Rangyasi, Janamazi Gabundumpa, Kasazik Sanangas, Ile Kapchik.
True achievements lies in efforts and dedication. Dance is joy made visible. We now present a lively Kashmiri folk dance Bumro, filled with energy and celebration. Let us welcome the performers with a big round of applause.
이 군케 공생에 투슬라 아자 럽툭 사마 럽종나 야르갸스다 당일 렉처 소세세 코스카 잠포직토 고마게 시랍스케 차랭디 리엇베 툰스켄기 스콜라 주인 군케 남시스 하장 땅모이나 진다레레나 토длок 양나 히팅 시스템 유치스페 아자 럽툭 군라 땅모 용체스기 셈셀 мет바 마시킷 포도 이보니 아자 럽종 장체스라 셈슈스 dimgyur 판토 실포요스
디링에 군토세 잡종게 죽도 메칼로스 컷칸에 미만나게 상말라 줄레당 타시텔레 chilong nisong ishu satuk lor tikse sharap ke chaling do ladab yongni tamto jungwe lupto kolla gunke ringbe zabjong ki chito ke skala chikjuna umangata songbo juna tene gergan tene ngaya ika gergan chuksum jigyo tenok tene gergan rere tene ngati phokpo stong jibju janga gergan rere phul tenok tene dong gergan chuksuma lak singa dang tong gyaju kyanga jiksko tenok tena chokla ngata luptu gun tene basi skalden kholla tene ngata ika bas guyo tenok tene basi dong bojuna lak gyatang tong gupchu kopdun jiksko tenok tena chokla ika tene machin ngistang tene lasmi ji tene chala thukan yo tenok tene khonga solpok lak chik tang tong dunchu tondun jik songseno.
Thank you for bearing with us. I know it's quite sunny and also cold sometimes, but thank you for bearing with us. It's a great source of inspiration anyway to all the people that organize this whole event and all the students who are taking part in various cultural activities. He's our Jigmet Wangchuk, Stadin Kesa, Stadin Chospel, Muzammil, Tunduk Norges, Jigmet Siling Chospel, and Bijan Tamang. And also I would request the players to stay here to get the trophy from Sir as well.
And most importantly, all the children. Firstly, let me extend a very warm compliments to the entire fraternity of the administrators, the teachers, the parents who have organized for the 7th time this winter tuition. I was privileged to be here last year also when the 6th winter tuition was held. I have said it that time also, and I would like to reiterate again that the standards displayed here, whether in terms of various educational activities, the co-curricular activities, or even the cultural program, has always been par excellence.
Kundron so today drink tenata kundron so tenata lata tene chief secretary skundun ikatena ata just ten kaut tene ata tene tene sheriff sketsale tene na tene ata buntu se sabjongo tene jutome sapuinpen tene tene kundun to ko aje job kan naje tene ko desa kuma saja jatinbe inam sala khanchan jesa tene ko ka khar mato tene ko tene aje ka fichese tene saja jesa patene adin tapan sujechesun tena choa ten dring tene ka tene ata skundun choa tene ata chisho tene ata internet tene kunbo tene ata kunche kujap tene madam Banu Parva Justin Pin tene phone tene ata ka sabso first tene ata doctor gonla kalo lamton success tam tene ka phone tuche rinchago salte tene ka features wa tene maje tene jumboche skepje jutun no jamia tapatan pa zampocho sosperi tene chise konte lama uches tam dido chame tene chap juste tene phone eka fifte tene tene jukte tene jago na features wa tene aje nik tapan tuche juchen